If you want your website or YouTube videos to get more traffic and reach more people, you need a tool to understand what your audience is searching for, what your competitors are doing, and how to improve your content. Two of the most popular tools for this are the Semrush and the Ubersuggest. Both tools help you with the keyword research, SEO, and content strategy, but people often wonder which one is better, especially if you are just starting out. In this video, I will compare Semrush and Ubersuggest in a simple way so you can understand which one is better for you. Basically, Semrush is known as a powerful all-in-one SEO and marketing toolkit. It has many advanced features that help large websites, professionals, and agencies to gain the detailed insight. Ubersuggest, on the other hand, is simpler and more beginner-friendly, with everyday features that give you the essential SEO data without the complexity. Both tools are useful, but they are designed for slightly different users. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without stress or confusion. In this video, we are comparing Semrush and Ubersuggest to see which one is better for beginners who want to improve their SEO and grow their online traffic. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try both tools yourself. By using the description links, any available free trial or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about the Semrush. Semrush is one of the most famous SEO tools in the world. It gives you detailed data on keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink tracking, site audit, content ideas, and much more. When you search for a keyword inside Semrush, it shows you how many people search for that keyword, how difficult it to rank, and related keywords that you can use. It also gives you the insights into your competitors, like showing the which keywords they rank for, how many traffic they get, and where their backlinks come from. One strong part of Semrush is its comprehensive features. You can do almost all kinds of SEO and marketing tasks inside the one platform. This includes tracking your ranking over time, or auditing your website or technical issues, discovering new content opportunities, and analyzing your competitors in depth. For professionals and growing business, this level of detail can be very valuable. But this same power also creates a learning curve. Many beginners feel overwhelmed when they first open the Semrush because the dashboard shows too many options, reports, and numbers. It may take a time and practice to understand all the features well. However, if you plan to learn SEO in depth, Semrush gives you a complete set of tools that can grow with you as your skills improve. Now let's talk about the Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a simpler and more beginner-friendly SEO tool. When you search for keywords, Ubersuggest shows you how many people search for it, how difficult it is, and gives you related keywords just like Semrush, but with fewer confusing reports. The interface is easier to understand and most users find it friendly right from the starting. Ubersuggest also gives you basic competitor information. For beginners, it can help to start planning content, choosing the keywords, and optimizing a site or a blog. Another good thing about Ubersuggest is its pricing and value for small users. Ubersuggest often has a more affordable plan for individual or the beginners. This makes it easier to access the basic SEO features without paying for many advanced features you might not need yet. For someone who is just starting out with blogging, small business websites, or early SEO, then Ubersuggest is easier to start and understand. Now let's talk about the ease of use. First of all, let's talk about the Semrush. It has more tools and deeper data, but for beginners, it may feel complex like learning a big software. Ubersuggest feels simpler like a tool you can start using the right way without much training. This means if you just want basic keyword research and competitor checks, then Ubersuggest can be a great choice because it gets you fast results without complexity. So in terms of feature depth, Semrush clearly offers more. It has tools for content optimization, backlink gap analysis, site audit, rank tracking, and even the social media tool inside the same workspace. If you plan to grow your SEO skills and work on long-term traffic growth, Semrush may be worth the time to learn. So that's all for today's video. If this Semrush and Ubersuggest comparison helped you to decide which tool fits for your needs, then give this video a like, subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple and honest videos like this, and thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.